Hello once again. In our today's tutorial, we are going to discuss a step-by-step guide on how to install Docker on Ubuntu 22.04. You can install Docker on Ubuntu 22.04 directly in the terminal. As long as you have basic knowledge of writing terminal commands, you shouldn't encounter any problems. Let's now discuss the steps. Step 1. Prepare system. First, make sure that all packages and your system are up to date. Follow the command on screen. Step 2. Remove Docker residue. If you've previously used beta versions of Docker or installed previews of the virtualization software, you need to remove them before installing Docker. Not removing them can cause errors. The command on screen can help. Step 3. Download Docker repository. Docker uses an installation repository, so you need to store it in your system. To work with the repository, install the following packages shown on screen.
Step 4. Install Docker Engine. You can get Docker Engine directly in the terminal in Ubuntu 22.04. The commands you need to do this differ depending on whether you need a specific Docker version or the current one. To download a specific version of Docker, use the command on screen.
Step 5. Check installation. After the installation, you can use the following command on screen to start a Hello World Docker container and check if the installation was successful. If everything worked correctly, you should see the following output on your screen. Step 6. Optional. Run Docker as a non-root user. To run Docker, you need root privileges. That's why you need to start all your commands with sudo. If you want to run Docker as a user without root privileges, you need to create a Docker group. Step 6.2. Add users. With a simple command, you can add users to the Docker group you created, allowing them to run Docker without root privileges. Remember that $user is just a placeholder and must be replaced with a user's name. For the changes to take effect, you need to log out and then log back in. Up next, how to install Docker on Windows. Bye.